This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Huawei GT3 to an iPhone. First, you'll need to download the Huawei Health application from the Apple App Store. Make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on and that your Huawei GT3 watch is powered up and ready. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth pairing experience. Once you have the app, we can move on to finding your device and establishing the connection. It's a straightforward process, designed for ease of use. Now, open the Huawei Health app on your iPhone. Navigate to the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Add Device and then select smartwatches or bands from the categories. Your Huawei GT3 should appear in the list of available devices. Select it and then confirm the pairing request that pops up on both your iPhone and your watch. This establishes the initial link between your two devices. After successful pairing, grant all necessary permissions to the Huawei Health app for full functionality. You can then personalize your watch by choosing from hundreds of watch faces and setting up your preferred notification alerts. To ensure continuous data synchronization, verify that background app refresh is enabled for the Huawei Health app in your iPhone settings. Also, regularly check for any available firmware updates to keep your watch performing at its best. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the Huawei GT3 often resolves the problem. Always ensure your Huawei Health app is updated to its latest version. For optimal performance, keep your devices within a close range, ideally within 10 meters or about 33 feet. If problems persist, try unpairing the devices and repeating the connection process from the beginning. These steps should help you maintain a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.